Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be reviewing the Maverick playing cards from the United States Playing Card Company. Very much the bottom of the scale when it comes to budget. Very, very cheap. I think some places I've seen people post 79 cents for a deck. Now, I have used a deck of these before and I'm not a fan. I had about 6 decks I think. I've got them in red and I've got them in blue / blacky grey, but I don't use them. They're just sitting on the side, and I was going to keep these ones sealed, but I decided I was going to open them for the review. I've seen people asking about them, and I think it's very much the first deck people. It kind of looks a bit upmarket from your very, very cheap decks, and I think it's partly to do with the branding. It doesn't look particularly terrible, but the problem that you have is that people just getting started out or finding an interest in cards, they'll probably go for the cheapest decks to start with. I mean, no one starts a collection with a $2,000 deck, and the problem you have then is this will give people a really bad impression of the quality of the playing cards that come out of the United States Playing Card Company. I mean, they're by no means unusable, don't get me wrong, but then just very, very basic, very budget. So we have Maverick playing cards, United States Playing Card Company. See how it says made in China as well. These weren't manufactured at the United States Playing Card Company plant. Got the 2010 United States Playing Card Company. The back design, it's nice, I like it. Back to the front there. Plastic coated, big problem. Not easy to get into. It's got the Maverick subsidiary information there. And let's get some cards out. You've probably seen it where a magician will produce someone else's folded up card in their mouth. And this is the decks that I used to practice that, because I don't mind destroying them. According to Hoyle, back there. And these are very, very smooth. A bit... smooth is the wrong word. They're very flat. There's no texture to them. So you've got, let's go to the back here. So you've got 2 jokers. Plastic coated made in China Maverick. Hoyle products guarantee. Little horsey. And then go into the deck. So these are very, very, very standard. The ace is nice. It's got that sort of inlaid, sort of almost carving, I suppose, look to it. Hoyle products. Then we're standard face. You see things like this happen. That's a print error. That's not dirt. This has just been taken out of the package. And it kind of shows the difference in care that goes into making these. I mean, these look very basic, but they're a standard face, you know, nothing fancy anyway. Straight through to the reds, and again, they all look rather depressed to be on a pack of Mavericks, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, they're a standard deck that you could use for a number of standard things. They just don't handle anywhere near as well as products with a linen finish. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're not by any means terrible. They're just not very good. I mean, there we go. The back design. There's a lot of effort that's gone into that. It's very detailed, very nice. I like these little sort of swirls here. They look very cool. It's just a shame. I mean, obviously they need to offer a budget brand. I get that, but a deck of standard bikes is not expensive. You know, you're not going to break the bank by purchasing a deck. So, I mean, these are just sort of, I suppose, for people that are just looking to play a game of cards. They're not for anyone who wants to do anything fancy or any magic or any cardistry. You just simply wouldn't use these. I wouldn't recommend that you'd use them anyway. People may choose to. People might enjoy. I mean, they might enjoy this type of deck. They might like the feel of it. But personally, I think it sucks. I mean, it's a shame because it's a nice looking deck. It'd be nice if they released this in that sort of linen air cushion finish, and then you could have the option, you know, because it's not an ugly deck. It just doesn't feel nice to use. Um, but yeah, you could use it for Magic. You could use it for a whole number of things. But personally, for me, I wouldn't. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time, and we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.